Hello students, here we have a question from JEE 2021 which says if S is the set given here, then the number of elements in the set capital T which contains A, which is subset of S, which is non-empty subset, and sum of all the elements of A is not a multiple of 3. Now we start with first calculating the total number of subsets possible for the set capital S. We know it is 2 to the power n, so here 2 to the power 7, which is 128. Talking about the non-empty subsets, we'll say total number of non-empty subsets of capital S will be 1 less, that is 128 minus 1, which is 127. Let us mark it as equation 1. Now we are going with the method of complement. We'll remove from this number the subsets in which the sum of elements is a multiple of 3. For this, we divide these numbers in the set S in 3 categories of 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2 and 3k, which means dividing by 3 we get the remainder 1, remainder 2 and remainder 0 in the third category. Why do we do this? Because this way we can very easily find out when will be the sum divisible by 3. So let's go out to calculate the number of non-empty subsets of S in which the sum of elements is going to be a multiple of 3, right? Whose sum of elements is a multiple of 3. Now for this we should see in the third category of 3k type of numbers, if we choose none among them, 1 among them, 2 or 3 among them, they will all give you those cases when the sum of the elements is multiple of 3. So these are the choices: 3C0, 3C1, 3C2 or 3C3 for the third category, 3k. Then we come to the first two categories. Here we can see the number have to be selected from both of them together, either 1 from each or 2 from each, or we can say none from each also. So this way 2C0 into 2C0, when none is selected from each one of them, 2C1 into 2C1, when 1 selected from each one of them, and similarly 2C2 into 2C2. Then whole minus 1 is what we do to remove that empty subset. On calculation, this comes out as 48 minus 1, that is 47. So this is those number of subsets in which the sum is divisible by 3. Remove this from the total number, which was 127, so we get the final answer as 80. Subscribe the channel for more such useful content. Thanks for watching.